Hello all of you. In the previous video, in our scanner, we learned how to use the scanner class, how to take a simple integer input from the user. But today, we are taking it one step further. Instead of taking just one integer like here as we take an age input, we are going to take different types of data from the user and going to build a small but useful application called Student Information System. And this will be your first mini project. Okay. But before I show you the solution, I am giving you the challenge first. And let me just see if you can build it before me or not. So here is your challenge. Okay, our program should ask the user to enter these four things as name, age, CGPA, and grade. And then we need to display all these details neatly on the screen. Okay, let's see. Okay, so before I start coding, pause this video right now, open your VS Code and try to build this program by yourself. Think about which data type you will use for each value. And more importantly, remember one thing, we are using scanner, so think about which scanner method you will require. Done? Okay, so now let's start it and let's build it together. Okay, so allow me to write our program and java.util.scanner public class. Okay, inside that class we need to define public static void main. Okay, inside that we need to create one simple object. I am creating here obj new scanner system.in. Okay, we already learned this in the previous video. First we import the scanner, then we create our scanner object using this new keyword. And now our program is ready to take input from the keyboard via the system.in statement. Okay, so let's start with the student's name first. And for that, we need to simply ask user, enter your name. Okay, now notice one thing. For name, we are using string. Okay, and because a full name can contain spaces. So just think it like your name is whatever your name is. I'm taking here example like Geeta Sharma. So here in Geeta Sharma, there is a space after Geeta name, Geeta word. Okay, so for this, we need to use string variable for storing that string and scanner object that is obj dot next line. Okay, so this next line will allow user to enter this entire string, whether they are spaces or not, it will take entire this string. Okay, so you don't need to worry about this thing. You just simply use next line method. Okay, the complete name will be stored in the name variable. Next, we need age. So tell me which data type should we use? Exactly. We need to use what? Integer. So let me ask user first. Enter your age, please. And then just simply taking integer age variable inside that object dot next int. Simple, right? Now here is the next one. We need to enter here CGPA. And suppose the CGPA is something like 9.5 or 9.8. So can we use integer there? No, because we are having a decimal value, so we need to use double. So for that, I'm just asking user for enter your CGPA, please. User will enter CGPA and we need to store that into double variable, name it as CGPA and use obj dot next and double. Okay, you can see here. If I declare any variable with the type of double and after giving dot, we can simply having suggestions and in the first only we can see next double. So just enter it. See how data types and scanner methods are syncing. They are connecting together. Okay. And now the final input, suppose the grade is just one character. So simply just asking user for enter your grade. Okay. And we all know grade is of single character. So A, B, C, D, whatever the grade is, we require char type of data. So I'm just taking here char grade and obj. Now you must be wondering that there is a method, there can be a method in scanner which is called sc.nextchar, or we can say just obj.nextchar. Okay, but this method is not there in scanner. Okay, not in scanner. So how can we use single character? Just think. So here is the trick for that. We just need to write our obj, that is object name, dot next function dot char at 0. So what this actually mean? Suppose our grade is what? Our grade is, let's suppose A, and A is at 0th index, right? Okay. So if we all know, here is in our name, G is at 0th index, E as first index, second E is at third second index. So this is how the indexing starts from 0. So the grade will be at 0th position. In our string, we will have A at 0th index, and that will be here only, and that will be fetched by this next function. Perfect. We have collected all the data, and now we are just going to print it here on our console. So for that, allow me to print it. So we just simply use /n to make our program more readable. Student information system. Okay, right. After that, we need to just simply print all these values one by one. So first we require name, then we required age, then what? CGPA, CGPA, and now at last but not the least, our grade, without which we cannot pass into the exam, right? So this is all about our mini project. Now let's run the complete program by saving it first. So Java C, our file name is mini project1.java. Our program is compiled successfully. So congratulations, you have no errors into this program. Now we are going to simply run this program, mini project one. Okay, so now here first it is asking me for entering your name. So let's say I am entering Geeta Sharma. It is accepted successfully. Enter your age, let's suppose 21. Enter your CGPA, let's suppose 9.8. Enter your grade, let's suppose it's A. Okay, all values are entered by me, that means user. So congratulations, you have just created a simple interactive Java program using scanner. So because you can see here the output, right? So we have successfully did it. Okay, now I have one challenge for you guys. Add one more input to this program only. I'm just adding here, and that input is you are placed or not. You know, placed or not, that means have you got an offer from any companies or not? Okay, think about which data type you should use and which scanner method can take that input. So this is your homework question. Homework question. So comment it down in the comment section, right? Tell me what will be the answer and how you would approach this question. Don't write the answer immediately. Try to figure it out yourself. Don't just Google it, okay? And if your program works successfully, show me the output in the comment section or just write in the comment below. In the next video, we will move to the next Java program or concept, that is operators in Java, and continue building our programming fundamentals step by step. So if you understand this concept very clearly, just subscribe to CodePaath. Please like and share this video with your friends. And if you are following this series, thank you very much. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep coding. Thank you, all of you.